What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Conceited D Digital, back with another 4K It's your boy Mr. Entertainment, bringing you this entertainment before you... Damn it, that's not me either. I'm a little rusty, I haven't been here for long. I forgot. I got it. C.O.N. Seated, a.k.a. Mr. Cut the Beat, Mr. Slow It Down, I Just Dished You, a.k.a. Jimmy Shootron. Back again. Happy quarantine, everybody. Yeah, I know it's not really that happy, but fuck it. We gonna make it as happy as we could. I mean, we don't know what the new norm is gonna be. It's a weird ass time we got going on right now. We just gonna have to get through it, and that's what I'm here for, to hopefully, get your mind off that. You can have something to do. Of course, on the back, the Hollywood Apparel. You know, they got all the crazy vintage tees, as you already know. If you're new to the channel, then you know now. Alright, you got tees, bags, pants, flip-flops, jackets, hats, anything you want, to get that nostalgic feel. And of course, they always got something to go with the feet. You see, I got my boy Sonic with me today, and bam. We got the off-white Vapor Max. That's what I had on the toe with these, and oh shit, this match NBA Jam had crazy. I did not even mean to do that, but fuck it, we did it. But you know, that's what it is. Now, let's just get right into it, to what we're here for. Let me just explain it to you first. I know you hate when people do that, because I do. They act like they're gonna get right into it, and then they talk about some other shit. Well, I'm just letting you know. Remember, I stopped doing the weekly pickups because I was on tour, I was filming, so I didn't get to show y'all. So what I'm doing is, I'm backtracking for y'all. Fuck that, alright? Y'all, I rock with y'all. Y'all my niggas, so that's what we're gonna do, alright? I'm backtrack and all that. I'm gonna go for all the stuff that I missed. I'm gonna go week by week by week. Not all this video, I'm gonna have video, so just remember to tune in, subscribe, turn your noties on and all that, so that you can know when I drop, because I'm gonna be here with y'all. Now, so gonna be mixing old with the new. Let's start it off right. Start it off right now with, you've seen this box, so you already know what it is. I know y'all know what it is, for sure. The DMPs, sixes. Whoo. Damn, it's my first time taking these joints out of the box. Oh yeah, these are nice. Oh no. Yo, damn, they did a good job. Yo, deadass, you have to get these. They did an excellent thing. Damn, man, yo, Jordan Brand, when y'all wanna do something right, y'all do it. Damn, this shit feels crazy. Love them. I got the OGs too, but you know what I mean? I'm so afraid my pull tab is gonna crack, because on my first pair it did. I had two pairs, so DMP 60s. Must cop, y'all should definitely get them. Moving on, I don't even want to take these out the box for y'all, because y'all already know what this is for sure, right? Yeah, we're not even gonna wait for that info. Red cements. Remember, I told you I'm going way back, so this is like I'm going from everything from February, March, April, all that. This is not the one with the shy on the back, the Nike Air. I do not like the shy on the back. Don't like it, I don't want it, nothing. I don't care if it's rare, I don't want it. Nike Air, not Nike Shy. I'm good. I like to call these the DJ salads. You know what I mean? Because obviously, for obvious reasons, the fake DJ Khaled's. Now don't get it, that doesn't mean I don't like them. I do like the red cements, but you know. Alright, boom, let's keep it going. What we got here? Oh, yeah, nice. One of my favorite Nike basketball sneakers from back in the day. Air Max Up Tempo. Oh my goodness. I know Reggie Miller used to rock these. Pippen used to rock these. Not this color, but the shoe. I actually thought I had these in like, what, 95, I believe it was. Me and my sister, we actually wore them to the mall in like the same outfit. We had like a Tommy polo shirt with the polo style, but a Tommy Hilfiger white shirt with some black Tommy shorts, and we wore some more, we were some herbs. But Air Max Up Tempo, Liddy. Oh yeah. The plums. These, I don't like, no matter what, you have to have these ones. These are one of my favorite low top dunks of all time. Like that, and that counts SBs also. Like, this is just one of my favorite low top dunks, period. Damn, oh my, yo, see, Nike and Jordan Brand and Nike, when y'all really want to do something fire, y'all do. Yo, the material on this is, that check is, whoo, shit. Nah, this is fire. You have to have these plums. That was a cop. That was a cop. Now this one to me is, I like, to me, because it just means stuff to be, dude. Just let your soul glow. The coming to America, Mr. McDowell's. Alright? Remember Mr. McDowell? These are the McDowell. You know, I don't know if you ever saw Coming to America. Got the Come to America branding on the tongue. The outfit is just like what the employees wore at McDowell's. If you ever saw Come to America, y'all know McDowell's was the food guy got McDonald's. Instead of the Big Mac, they had the Big Mick. McDonald's got the golden arches. They got the golden arches. Difference. I mean, fire. So, one of my favorite movies, so this was a must cop for me. And I like blazers. These are loud, and like I said, one of my favorite movies. Like I said, we're mixing the old with the new. The old with the new. Pow! Reverse duck camo Air Max 90s. Alright, now let me tell you my spiel on these. When I saw these online, I thought this was orange. It kind of looks like a Cheeto orange in the on camera probably right now a little bit, but nah. Duh. It's like an infrared pink black to me. I hate the color that they have on this. Don't let what you see on camera fool you. This is not what it looks like. It is way lighter than what you see. Cause I'm looking at it on camera and it looks damn near fire on camera because it looks orange. But no, online, I love these shits. I was like, yo, I'm telling my man, he bugging. Them shits fire. He saw them in person first. They're like, nah, they trash. I said, you're bugging. They're like, bro, it's not orange. It's not infrared or something. I'm like, nah, cause look, in this pic it look orange. Then I got him, had to call him and tell him, you're right. I apologize. Duh. And also, guys, stop calling this Atmos. Like, this is not an Atmos collab. Atmos ain't got shit to do with this. Alright, the first one was with the black. Alright, that was the Atmos. This is not. Alright, but if you like them, copy for sure. That really just scuffed my Air Force Ones. You know what really scuffs my Air Force Ones? When Nike does shit like that. Moving on. Oh, so you know, posted these kind of recently. Ping! Air Max 97 Off-White Manta. Gotta love them. I put these on the toe warm a couple times. Yeah, out of all the Air Max 97 Off-White collab, these are my favorite ones. I hate the Serena Williams ones. I love Serena Williams. I hate the Serena Williams pair. Beige and purple, I hate it. The black pair, fire. White pair, fire. But this pair, Volcano, alright? Lava. Love them. Love these joints. Like that. Son, you see that check, son? Son, you see that? Come on, son. You see that? Fire! Quarantine has been good to me, and before quarantine has been good to me. This right here is a love-hate for some people. Alright? Well, it depends. Bomb. Pearl. Blue 9s. Shit. 2002 OG. The retro, the high tops, I like those too. I like them both. I mean, I actually don't even have them. It was a sample at first. My man got the sample. I was like, damn, that would be crazy if these came out, and they actually did. So, but this is the OG, the 02 low top version. We all know, we all got that hate for certain Jordans when they make them low. But this one just hits different, son. This one hits different. I know some people don't dig them, but a lot of people do. But yeah, this was a dope pickup of mine that I had finally. Since we talking about Mike and The Last Dance and all that is all over the TV screens. Y'all see that box, right? You see how slim it is, right? So y'all know what that is. Y'all know what that is. That means you know it's some OG shit. And we got the to the left. Orlando bomb white Jordan side on the bottom. OG Orlando Jordan 10s from the City Pack. I have the Knicks, I have the Sacramentos, I have the Seattles, I have the Orlandos, I have the Powder Blues, which are not the Charlotte Hornets, but some people like to call it that. It is not. The only ones I do not have original from 95 are the Chicago's. I found them, beautiful, dead stock, but everything that's going on with Mike right now, and that was always the most rare and hardest pair to find, son want a Birkin bag for him. But I know I'm gonna work something out with him, though. You got him because I need him. That is the only one that has been eluding me for all these years. OG Orlando Jordan 10s. I have the retros as well, but nothing can compare to original Jordan 10s. This slim, narrow Jordan 10. I love it. Well, since we all talking about Mike, face box. the original Mochas, right? Original Mocha, 2001. Bomb. You can see little bit of yellowing on there. Down, that shit don't mean nothing to me. This yellowing is actually nice on it. The leather's great. The leather is insane. I don't know how the retro one is. I didn't like the shape of them. I didn't like the way it looked, so I didn't even go near them. The leather is crazy on this. See, like this is what Mike was doing. Mike, crazy how the Mochas was. I mean, niggas was begging for him to come back. They became a classic. Niggas was grailing them, searching for them. They come out, said, I understand it wasn't, the same quality and all that, but I mean, I'm pretty sure it wasn't that bad if you really liked them. But yeah, this pair, fire. The new stuff and old stuff, y'all know what that is. UNC 3s, no PE version. This is the normal version. I like them both just the same. I mean, hey, if I get the PEs for a good price, I will definitely get them. Quick question, y'all. Quick question. I love 3s. 3s is probably my favorite silhouette on Jordans. So you guys remember these, right? Of course. These are not a cop. I copped these a while ago. It has nothing to do with this week. Alright? But I want to know, what do y'all like better out of these two? UNC Jordan 3. The New York Knicks Jordan 3.
This is the last round. Fight!
I'm gonna have to go with this. Do you know how bad that just hurt my heart to get rid of a New York colorway sneaker? Now let me tell you why. That extra orange part right here, they brought the orange all the way down. See how clean it looks if they were just left it white? Like they do on black cements and white cements. They just left that joint white instead of bringing this all the way down. I know the True Blues did it, but nah, son. Look how clean. Like, if this had that extra sky blue joint, I wouldn't have even liked it as much as I do. I think it would have made it look trizz. It's not a deal breaker, because clearly I got these. I like them, still. I just wish they did that, but that's what gave this the edge. Sorry. Woo! The pair that eluded me again for a long time. Ooh. Now, of course, I know niggas probably like to call these Aries and all that, but what it is, it's actually Ireland. That's how you say it, Ireland. It's era, alright? Era. That's the way we would say it, but of course the Irish people say it like era, alright? So, well, Professor Kong, alright? Era, SBs. You got your heart right there. On the hill, crazy. Now, the crazy part is, this is a shoe that I've been dying to get mad long ago. Like OD long ago, and I found it for dirt cheap, dead stock, mad times, right? But it was the time where I'm like, you know what? That's always gonna be there. It's always gonna be there. Niggas ain't even on SBs, right? It's always gonna be there. So this was a while ago. So I was glad I was able to hop on these before people wanted to put the skyrocket price on it and shit. And cause I even looked up a pair after I bought them, and I found a pair for like 800. Like what are you talking about? 800 for Eras? Like what? Like these niggas just going crazy. So like I saw a nigga ask for a band for Ferris Bueller's. Are you dumb? Ferris Bueller's? You'll never, my body never paying a band for Ferris Bueller's. And I got them, but I got them for retail when they came out. So I can't imagine Ferris Bueller's. Like they just putting crazy prices on any SSB now. Niggas think they going crazy. This pair was a welcome back pair. I still have my original pair, but it's a 7.5, so it's too small. Tight beat. I mean, so I'm gonna try to go bring it to one of the consignment shops here if you want to get whatever I can for it. Paul Urich. You can see, yeah, that part right here, fire. Insane. Texture of it is crazy. All the colors on the back. Boom. Suede around the toe. Liddy. Paul Urich, welcome back. And this is just one of the greatest Air Maxes ever. Bomb. The Huffquake Air Max 90. Let y'all know that check is patent leather. Yo, the crazy part is I wasn't even that much of a crazy fan of Air Max 90s. Like way back, because I didn't like running shoes. I mean, when I got my first pair and I put them shits on the toe, I loved them. They were crazy. Alright, but welcome to another episode of Weekly Pickups with Conceited, or should I say, not welcome, get out. We out. But I'm gonna be here week by week to make y'all quarantine easier. Make sure if you want to get at me, listen, I answer my messages, my DMs, my comments, all that. Follow me on my main Instagram, Conceited NYC. That's where if you want to, see just everything be. That's personal con. You want to get personal with CON? Pause. Don't get relaxed. All right, right here. Now, if you don't care about none of that, you just want to see the feet work. Jimmy Shootron. That's it. Everything else, but I'm telling you, you wanna follow both. I don't put the same content, but you wanna follow both. New TV shows like the Sneaker Show. Yeah, like that one, Sneaker Wars. Conceited NYC. See all the latest pickups and everything? This one, so make sure you follow both, because they're gonna intertwine. Alright? Thank y'all for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe, all that, and I will be back with another quarantine pickup for you.